Have you ever had a really bad day and then something very small suddenly made you smile? Maybe it was a message from a friend. Maybe it was your favorite song. Or maybe someone was kind to you when you needed it most. Today, Cindy and Dave talk about the small things that make life feel a little brighter. And honestly, by the end of this conversation, you might start noticing those small moments in your own life too. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Hey Dave, how are you today?
Honestly, much better than yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Oh? Nothing big happened.
Really?
Yeah, that's the strange part.
Then why do you feel better?
Honestly, a few small things happened.
Small things?
Yeah.
Like what?
Well, this morning I woke up and saw a message from an old friend.
Oh, wow!
We haven't talked in months.
That must have felt nice.
It really did.
What did the message say?
Nothing special.
Really?
Yeah, just, hey Dave, hope you're doing well.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
Sometimes simple messages mean a lot,
Exactly.
especially when you aren't expecting them.
That's what surprised me.
Did you reply?
Of course.
Good.
Honestly, it made my whole morning better.
I understand that.
It made me realize something.
What?
Small things affect us more than we think,
Wow.
right?
I completely agree.
What about you?
Me?
Yeah.
Honestly, coffee makes me happy.
Huh.
I'm serious.
I believe you.
There is something comforting about a quiet morning and a good cup of coffee.
That sounds peaceful.
It is.
Do you ever sit and do nothing?
Sometimes.
Really?
Yeah,
I feel like everyone is always busy.
that's true.
People are always working, studying, or looking at their phones.
Exactly.
Sometimes I forget to enjoy small moments.
I think many people do.
One thing that makes me happy?
What?
Rain.
Really?
Yeah,
Most people complain about rain.
I know.
Why do you like it?
It feels calm,
That makes sense.
especially when I'm inside. Sitting by a window while it rains feels peaceful.
I actually understand that.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
rain slows everything down.
Exactly.
That's probably why people enjoy it.
One thing I've noticed,
What?
happiness is different for everyone.
Very true.
Some people love parties.
And some people love quiet evenings.
That's me. Definitely me.
Honestly, small things make me happier than big things sometimes.
Really?
Yeah,
Like what?
fresh bed sheets.
Wow.
Don't laugh.
I'm not.
Getting into a clean bed after a long day feels amazing.
Okay, I actually agree.
See?
That's surprisingly relatable. One thing that always makes me happy is hearing my favorite song unexpectedly.
Oh, wow.
Like when you're in a store
Yeah?
and suddenly your favorite song starts playing.
That really does feel good.
It instantly changes my mood.
Music is powerful.
Definitely.
Speaking of music,
What?
something happened to me last week.
Oh,
And honestly, it started as a normal day.
okay.
But one small moment completely changed it.
Really?
Yeah,
What happened?
it's a little embarrassing, actually.
Now I'm curious.
Okay, Cindy, now I'm curious.
Honestly, it's a little embarrassing.
Those are usually the best stories.
Maybe.
So what happened?
Last week was stressful.
Really?
Very stressful.
Work?
Mostly work.
I understand that.
Everything felt busy.
Yeah.
I was tired, distracted, and honestly a little unhappy.
Oh no.
Nothing terrible happened.
But you weren't feeling great.
Exactly.
I think many people can relate to that.
Definitely.
So what changed?
Well, after work, I stopped at a small grocery store.
Okay.
I only needed a few things.
Like what?
Bread, milk, and some fruit.
Sounds normal.
It was.
Then what happened?
I went to the checkout.
Okay.
And suddenly I realized I forgot my wallet.
Oh no.
Exactly.
That's the worst feeling.
It really is.
What did you do?
Honestly, I felt so embarrassed.
Really?
Yeah,
Why?
because there were people waiting behind me.
Oh,
And I'd already placed everything on the counter.
that's awkward.
Very awkward.
So what happened next?
I apologized and started putting everything back.
That makes sense.
Then something unexpected happened.
What?
An older woman standing behind me smiled.
Okay.
And she said, "Don't worry, we've all done that."
Wow.
It was such a small thing.
But it helped?
A lot.
I understand that.
Suddenly, I didn't feel so embarrassed anymore.
That's really kind.
It was.
Did you go home?
No.
Really?
I remembered I had a little money in my bag.
Lucky.
Very lucky. But honestly, the thing I remembered wasn't the money.
It was the woman.
Exactly.
Wow.
One simple sentence changed my mood completely.
That's amazing.
Sometimes kindness is powerful.
Very powerful.
What about you?
Me?
Yeah,
Honestly, I had a similar experience.
really?
A few months ago,
What happened?
I was having a terrible day.
Oh no.
Everything seemed to go wrong.
Like what?
I woke up late.
That's never a good start.
Then I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Oh no.
Then I missed my bus.
Wow.
Then it started raining.
That's a rough day.
Exactly.
What happened next?
I was walking home feeling frustrated. Yeah? Then I saw something strange.
What?
A small dog. A dog? Yeah.
Okay.
The dog was wearing a tiny yellow raincoat. That's adorable. Honestly, it looked so serious.
Really?
Like it had important business to do. I couldn't stop smiling.
That's actually really cute.
And suddenly, my bad day didn't feel so bad anymore.
Wow.
Isn't that weird?
Not at all.
Really?
Sometimes happiness comes from unexpected places.
That's true.
A kind word,
A funny moment,
a favorite song.
or a dog in a raincoat.
Exactly.
You know what's interesting?
What?
Most of these happy moments cost nothing.
Wow.
I never thought about that before.
That's actually true.
The things we remember are often simple.
Very true.
But there is one small thing that always makes me happy.
Really?
Every single time.
Okay, now I want to know.
And honestly, it involves one of my most awkward memories ever.
Oh no. Dave?
Trust me, this story is embarrassing. Okay, Dave, now I really want to hear this story.
Honestly, I don't know if I should tell it.
That bad?
Very embarrassing.
Now I'm even more curious.
Ha,
Come on.
fine.
I'm listening.
This happened about a year ago.
Okay.
I was walking through a shopping mall.
Normal so far?
Yeah.
Then what?
I saw someone waving at me.
Oh no.
You already know where this is going.
Maybe.
The person smiled and waved.
And?
So I smiled and waved back.
Okay.
Then I started walking toward them.
Dave?
Yeah.
Please tell me they knew you.
They did not.
Oh no.
It gets worse.
Really?
Much worse.
What happened?
The person wasn't waving at me. Dave,
Sorry.
they were waving at someone behind me.
Oh no.
Exactly.
That's awkward.
Very awkward.
What did you do?
I pretended I was stretching.
What?
I panicked. So I turned my wave into a weird stretch.
That's amazing.
No, it was terrible.
Honestly, that's hilarious.
I wanted to disappear.
I understand that.
The funny thing is,
What?
every time I remember it now, I laugh.
See?
At the time, it felt like the end of the world.
But now it's a happy memory.
Exactly.
That's interesting.
Why?
Because many embarrassing moments become funny later.
Wow,
Think about it.
you're right.
Sometimes the things that make us smile today once made us uncomfortable.
That's actually true.
Have you ever noticed that?
Definitely.
I think that's one reason happiness is so surprising.
How?
Because we never know which moments we'll remember years later.
Wow.
Some moments seem ordinary at first.
Then suddenly they become special.
Exactly.
You know something?
What?
I used to think happiness came from big achievements.
Really?
Yeah,
Like what?
getting a better job,
Okay,
making more money,
that makes sense.
buying something expensive.
Right.
But honestly,
Yeah?
the happiest moments I remember are usually small.
Such as...
Eating dinner with friends,
Nice.
watching the sunset,
Beautiful.
laughing at something silly,
Definitely.
receiving an unexpected message.
I love that one.
Those are the moments I remember,
Me too.
not the expensive things.
That's actually a really important realization,
I think many people forget that.
especially when life gets busy.
Yeah,
People spend so much time chasing big goals.
and they miss the little moments.
Exactly.
Honestly, I think I do that sometimes.
Me too.
We all do.
You know what makes me happy?
What?
When someone remembers a small thing about me.
Really?
Yeah,
Like what?
my favorite drink.
That's sweet.
Or my favorite snack.
I understand that.
It makes me feel seen.
Wow.
It's such a small thing.
But it means a lot.
Exactly.
Honestly, this conversation is making me think.
About what?
Maybe happiness isn't something we find.
Oh?
Maybe it's something we notice.
Wow.
What?
That's actually beautiful.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe small happy moments are around us all the time.
And we just move too fast to see them.
Exactly.
Wow.
What?
Something happened to me recently that made me realize exactly that.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened?
Honestly, it was one of the simplest moments I've ever experienced.
Okay.
But it completely changed my mood that day.
Now I'm curious.
Honestly, it was such a small moment.
Those seem to be the most important ones.
Exactly.
So tell me,
A few weeks ago, I was having a bad day.
really?
Yeah.
What happened?
Nothing dramatic.
Just one of those days?
Exactly.
I know those days.
Everything felt difficult.
Oh no.
Work was stressful.
Yeah,
I was tired.
understandable.
And honestly, I wasn't in a good mood.
I understand that.
After work, I decided to go for a walk.
That's usually a good idea.
It helps me clear my mind.
Same.
So I was walking through a small neighborhood park,
Okay.
and I noticed something.
What?
A little girl learning how to ride a bicycle.
That's nice.
She looked about 6 years old.
Okay.
Her father was running beside her.
Oh.
Every few seconds, she almost fell.
Oh no.
but she kept trying.
That's good.
Then suddenly, yeah, she rode the bike by herself for a few seconds.
Really?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
And the moment she realized she was doing it,
What happened?
she smiled.
Oh,
The biggest smile I've ever seen.
wow.
Then she started laughing. That's so wholesome. And honestly,
Yeah?
everyone around her started smiling too.
Really?
Yeah,
Even strangers?
even strangers.
Wow.
It was such a simple moment.
But it made you happy?
More than happy.
Really?
It reminded me of something important.
What?
Most happiness isn't complicated.
Wow.
We spend so much time looking for big things.
That's true.
But sometimes happiness is right in front of us.
I never thought about it that way.
Think about your favorite memories.
Okay.
Are they all big moments?
Honestly, no.
Exactly.
Most of my favorite memories are simple.
Like what?
Eating with family,
Nice?
talking with friends late at night,
I love those conversations.
watching a funny movie together,
Definitely.
or hearing someone laugh really hard.
That's a good one.
Those moments stay with me.
Me too.
You know what I realized during this conversation?
What?
Happiness doesn't always arrive with fireworks.
Wow.
Sometimes it arrives quietly.
That's beautiful.
A text message,
A kind word,
a favorite song,
a cup of coffee.
a dog in a yellow raincoat.
I know.
I'm serious.
I know.
Honestly, I think people need this reminder.
I agree.
Life moves so fast.
Very fast.
We worry about tomorrow,
We think about yesterday.
and sometimes we forget today.
Exactly.
Maybe the secret is paying more attention.
To the small moments?
Yeah,
I like that.
because those moments are everywhere.
They really are.
We just have to notice them.
And appreciate them.
Exactly.
Honestly, this conversation made me smile.
Me too.
I hope it makes our listeners smile too.
I think it will.
And maybe after listening, they'll notice a few small happy moments today.
I hope so.
Because sometimes the smallest things create the biggest happiness.
Very true.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.